Greetings, fellow business enthusiasts. Today, we're delving deep into a crucial aspect of entrepreneurship, the process of obtaining an EIN, or Employer Identification Number, for your business. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things business. Now, let's embark on a detailed exploration of acquiring your business's EIN. Step 1. Meet eligibility criteria. Before we plunge into the intricacies of the EIN application, let's ensure that your business structure aligns with the necessity for an EIN. Corporations like S-Corps or C-Corps are definite qualifiers, but interestingly, even if you're operating a sole proprietorship or a single-member LLC with hired help, there's a possibility you might need an EIN. So let's check off the eligibility box. Step 2. Download Form SS4. All right, let's get into the nuts and bolts of the process. Head over to the IRS website and download Form SS4. Now, we highly recommend opting for the online application for a swifter process. However, if the digital realm isn't your forte, fear not. Download the PDF, fill it out with your business information, legal name, trade name, personal details, and address, and then you can either mail it or fax it to the IRS. Remember, applying online typically offers the speediest resolution. Step 3. Gather necessary information. Now let's discuss the paperwork. Get ready to share critical details about your business, including the highest number of employees you anticipate in the next 12 months, the date you plan to start paying wages, the nature of your business, and whether you've applied for an EIN in the past. Don't overlook explaining why you need an EIN, whether it's for hiring employees, starting a new business, or establishing a separate business account. Step 4. Submit application to IRS. With all your information in order, it's time to submit that application. If you're in the US, mail it to the Internal Revenue Service in Cincinnati or fax it to the specified number. Our international friends, there's a different fax number for you. And if you're applying from outside the United States, you can even do it by phone. However, for most business owners, the quickest and most convenient method remains the online application. Now, let's address a common question. Do I really need an EIN? If you're a single-member LLC or a sole proprietor operating without a formal business structure, overlooking an EIN could be a significant mistake. Sure, it might introduce some additional paperwork, such as estimated quarterly taxes and compliance matters. Still, here's the catch. Having an EIN enables you to open a separate checking account for business activities, apply for business loans, and access various financial products and services that can substantially benefit your business. But the advantages don't stop there. Consider the added layer of security and legitimacy an EIN provides. By having a separate federal tax ID for your business, you can maintain a clear distinction between your business entity and your personal identity. This not only shields you from pesky marketing solicitations, but also reduces the risk of identity theft. Imagine not having to divulge your personal SSN to clients or vendors. The EIN acts as a protective shield. Before we continue, if you're finding value in this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow entrepreneurs, and comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Your engagement helps our community grow, and we appreciate your support. Some additional tips for EIN application. Now that we've covered the core steps, here are some extra tips to ensure a seamless EIN application process. First and foremost, consider consulting with a tax advisor or accountant who can provide guidance on your specific business needs and help navigate any nuances in the application. Remember, your EIN is a crucial identifier for your business, so it's essential to get it right from the start. The importance of timeliness. Another crucial aspect is timeliness. While applying online can yield results in just a few minutes, if you choose to go the mail or fax route, be prepared for a wait of 4 to 5 weeks. If time is of the essence, the online application is undoubtedly the way to go. Utilizing business tax filing benefits. Beyond the immediate benefits, having an EIN sets the stage for leveraging additional business tax filing benefits. This includes writing off specific business expenses and optimizing your tax strategy. Working with a registered agent or utilizing entity formation services can further streamline this process and ensure you're making the most of available deductions. Conclusion. In conclusion, obtaining an EIN is not just a bureaucratic requirement. It's a strategic move for your business. From unlocking financial opportunities to enhancing security and legitimacy, the benefits are substantial. If you haven't already, take that step today and secure your business's unique identifier. Closing scene. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive journey into the world of EIN acquisition. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe for more business wisdom. Your success is our priority. Until next time, happy entrepreneuring.